Hi everyone, this is Teacher Riza and welcome to the science class for the 4th grade. For today's video, we're going to talk about invertebrate animals. There are many different types of animals around us. They can be found on the ground, in the soil, in the water, on the trees, and so on. Animals have different shapes and sizes too. How do we classify animals? Well, animals are classified based on the presence or absence of the backbone, which is also known as vertebral column in their bodies. The animal kingdom are divided into two distinct groups, namely invertebrates and vertebrates. Invertebrates are animals without a backbone, and vertebrates are animals with a backbone. Now, let's learn more about invertebrate animals. Invertebrates can be classified into 8 smaller groups. They are the sponges, cnidarians, annelids, roundworms, flatworms, mollusks, arthropods, and echinoderms. The first group of invertebrates are the sponges. Sponges are invertebrates that have hollow tubes with many pores. Most sponges live in the ocean. They eat tiny particles that flow through the pores. Next group are cnidarians. Animals such as jellyfish, sea anemones, and corals are belong to a group named cnidarian. Most cnidarians have tentacles. Their tentacles have stinging cells called nematocysts, which are used in feeding and defense. The next group of invertebrates are the annelids. Annelids are segmented worms. Their body consists of little segments that looks like rings. Examples of annelids are the leeches and earthworms. Roundworms. Unlike annelids, roundworms are unsegmented worms. They have thin and round bodies. Examples of roundworms are the canine roundworms and hookworms. Flatworms. Flatworms are worms with soft, flat, and unsegmented bodies. Some flatworms live in the water, like marine flatworms, and some flatworms live in the digestive tract of other animals to obtain food, such as tapeworms. Next are the mollusks. Mollusks are unsegmented soft-bodied invertebrates that usually have shells. Animals such as snail, squid, octopus, clam, and slug are some examples of mollusks. Arthropods. There are more than 1 million kinds of arthropods that have been discovered, making it the largest group of animals on Earth. Arthropods have segmented body with jointed legs. They have external skeleton called exoskeleton to protect their bodies. Animals such as beetle, dragonfly, spider, crab, centipede, and scorpion are belong in this group. The last group is the echinoderms. The word echinoderm means spiny skin. Echinoderms have spines of various lengths on their bodies. They have radially symmetrical body and they live in the sea. Some examples of echinoderms are the sea star, sand dollar, and sea urchin. Now, let's review the 8 groups of invertebrates that we have discussed. First are the sponges. Can you please repeat? Sponges. Second are cnidarians. Cnidarians. Annelids. Annelids. Roundworms. Roundworms. Flatworms. Flatworms. Mollusks. Mollusks. Arthropods. Arthropods. Last are echinoderms. Echinoderms. Now, it's time to answer some following questions. Don't forget to write your answer in your notebook and say it out loud. Are you ready? Number 1. What are invertebrates? Good job! Invertebrates are animals without a backbone. Number 2 question. What are vertebrates? Excellent! Vertebrates are animals with a backbone. Number 3 question. Can you please give me 3 examples of cnidarians? Excellent! Jellyfish and corals are some examples of cnidarians. Number 4. Which invertebrates have hollow tubes with many pores? That is correct. Sponges are invertebrates that have hollow tubes with many pores. Next, which group of animals has exoskeleton? Say it out loud. That's right. Arthropods are animals that have exoskeleton. Number 6. Give me one example of mollusk and state one characteristic of this animal. That is correct. Snail, and it has a shell. The last question is, how do you differentiate between annelids and roundworms? That is correct. Annelids are segmented worms, while roundworms are unsegmented worms. For your assignment, kindly write down these 3 questions in your notebook and answer. That's all about invertebrates animals. See you again next time. Goodbye!